of Ginza, Tokyo, and I'm gonna buy something from a vending machine. Kind of thirsty, and we were walking by. We're leaving Tokyo today, so you know you gotta squeeze these experiences in. So I had my eye on this delicious looking little number. Looks like maybe some kind of peach soda, and I was originally worried, and then I saw this Asahi at the top. Like, is this some kind of alcohol? Because I'm not really in the mood for a peach flavored alcohol beverage, but my friend assured me that actually, like, a lot of these things are made by Asahi and they're not alcoholic. So Asahi just probably makes a whole variety of beverages in Japan. So I'm gonna go with the peach, and it says it costs 120 yen. So 100 and 2 tens. And okay. Doesn't that look refreshing? Oh, it's even got actual condensation on it. I don't know, this peach just looks so juicy and delicious. It really caught my eye. It smells kind of like peach candy. Wow. Yeah, there are these gummy peach candies that I like to get in the United States, and I think they're made by a Japanese manufacturer, and this tastes like a liquid version of gummy peaches. It's almost like, it tastes like it's actual peach juice. It might be actual peach juice. It's very thick, and you can see it's not clear. Look at that. That looks like what would come out if you took a bite of a peach and it was dripping all over your face. I think that's what this is.